Hey there, fellow Jira enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in project management tools. Today, we're tackling How to Query in Jira 2025, episode 740. If you're a project manager, developer, or anyone wrangling tasks in Jira, mastering queries will supercharge your workflow. Let's dive right in. First off, why bother with querying in Jira? In 2025, Jira has evolved with smarter AI integrations and advanced filters, making it easier to sift through issues, bugs, and tasks. A good query helps you find exactly what you need quickly, saving you tons of time. To get started, make sure you're logged into your Jira account. Head over to the Issues section in the main dashboard. That's your gateway to all the action. Now, click on Advanced Search to access the Jira Query Language, or JQL, which is like the secret sauce for powerful searches. Let's walk through a simple example. Suppose you want to find all high-priority bugs assigned to you. In the JQL box, type something like project equals your project and issue type equals bug and priority equals high and assignee equals current user. Hit search and voila, your results pop up instantly. Don't forget to customize your queries. In 2025, Jira's new features let you add date ranges, like created date greater than the 1st of January 2025, or even incorporate AI suggestions for refining your search. Once you're happy with a query, save it as a filter for easy access later. This way, you can share it with your team or run it on demand. One pro tip: always test your queries in a safe environment first to avoid messing up your boards. And if you get stuck, Jira's built-in help docs are your best friend. There you have it, querying in Jira made simple and effective for 2025. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.